Hello, and welcome to 5 Minute Math. Today we are looking at the TEKS tool strip diagram. We are working with equal groups with a problem related to TEKS 4.4f, and we will solve it in 5 minutes or less. If you haven't done so already, please go ahead and take a moment to pause the video, work this problem out on your own, unpause it, and we will look at our answers together. So we have a farmer harvesting a whole bunch of apples over 8 days. We've got the same number of apples picked each day. We need to figure out how many apples are picked on each of those days. Well, I see something in this word problem that lets me know that we're dealing with equal groups, and it's the second sentence right here. He picked the same number of apples each day. So that is a statement that lets us know that we're going to have equal groups, the same number of apples picked each day. Whenever we see equal groups, that should make us think we are going to either multiply or divide. And it really depends on what we have of the next three. We're going to have the total, the number of groups, and the number in each group. We'll have two of those, and then we'll be looking for the third. So let's look at the quantities we have. We've got 3,816. We have 8. What do these numbers tell us? Well, a farmer harvested 3,816 apples. That's the total amount of apples. And so you need to ask yourself, are there any more apples? No. If the answer is no, then this represents our total. And then that's going to be helpful because whenever we have equal groups and they give us the total, that means we're going to divide because we're not going to make the number any bigger. We're going to use division to make the number smaller. So the total is the biggest the number is going to be. So the only other thing we need to look at is those 8 days. What do those days represent? Are those the groups or are those the number in each group? Well, no, each day is going to be a group because take a look at the equal groups. He picked the same number each day or in each group. So this is the number of groups. And so what are we asked for? How many apples did he pick each day? So this is asking us how much are in each group. And on each day, how many apples were picked? So we have the total, we have the number of groups, we are looking for the number in each group. So let's represent this with a strip diagram here. I have a whole bunch of apples. I'm going to draw my total at the top in just a long horizontal bar, 3,816. Each day represents a group, so I need to have 8 days, so I'm going to cut it in half, cut each half in half, and then cut each half of a half in half again, because 2 times 2 times 2 makes 8. And then this is what I'm looking for, question mark. How many is in each day? And I can represent this with 3,816 divided by 8. And so let's use what we know about long division. When I write this, I'm not going to use the comma. I don't want to think that's a 1 on accident. And then I'm going to remember, does McDonald's sell cheeseburgers? There's more than one way to remember this. This is how I keep in the correct order steps of we're going to divide, then we're going to multiply, then we're going to subtract, we're going to check, and then we're going to bring it down. All right, so let's divide first. We start with our divisor and we go one digit at a time. Can 8 go into 3? Nope. Can 8 go into 38? Yes, so let's use that. And we're going to ignore the 16 for now. How many times can 8 go into 38 without going over? Well, 8 times 4 is going to be 32. 8 times 5 is 40, a little bit too big. So I divided. Now I need to multiply. You need to know your multiplication facts to make this work. So that's going to be 32. Now I'm going to subtract. 38 minus 32 is going to be 6. I need to check, is my 6 lower than my divisor? It has to be lower, cannot be equal or greater. Yes. So I bring down, and now we get in this 1 involved, but we're just going to do one digit at a time, and then you start over. 8 goes into 61 how many times? Well, 7 is going to get me close. 8 is going to be too much. 8 times 7, we multiply, 56. Subtract, that's 5. Yes, 5 is lower than 8. We bring down one more time. Start all over. 8 divides into 56 7 times. 7 times 8 is 56. There's nothing left over, so there's no remainder. There's nothing left to bring down, which means I'm done. I'm finished with it. So 3,816 divided into 8 days means that there are 477 apples picked on each day. C.